On the way to Cagayan de Oro. Dito tayo guys. Tayo. So 5J33 Cagayan de Oro. Boarding na tayo. Boarding.
Once again, to help us expedite the boarding process and avoid the just aeroplano at maiwasan ang pagtitikip sa partido, First Officer Hermosura, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Lagindigan Airport Cagayan de Oro. Morning. Cagayan de Oro City. Tara, labas na tayo ng Cagayan de Oro. Airport ng Cagayan de Oro. Let's go. Good kayo na.
Mahot sa mga kuwan, papandar ito nung una ng mga politiko ba? Nakakuha, nakatravel authority sa DILG. Nanakay kuwan, nanakay ticket.